Hello students, today we are going to learn about very beautiful poem that is The Worm. The Worm is written by famous poet Thomas Gisborne. In this poem, the poet tells us to remember that every creature on this earth is created by God. We must hence respect every creature, big or small, and not take away a life which we cannot give. Before we start the poem, let's see the meanings. Hasty means hurried and careless. Scornful means filled with hate. Deride means express hatred. Turn thy hasty foot aside, nor crush that helpless worm. The frame thy scornful looks deride required a god to form. In this poem, the worms play very important role. The poet tells the reader who is in a hurry to turn his foot aside so that he does not crush the helpless worm. Reader did not like the worm, he really hated the worms. But don't hate the worms, it was created by God. Let's see the second one para. Thy being means your life, existence. Bestowed means given as a gift. The common Lord of all that move, from whom thy being flowed, a portion of his boundless love on that poor worm bestowed. The poet also says, reader, that same God who made human beings and all other things that move has also given a portion of his unlimited love to the poor worm. God gave equally their love human beings as well as all creature of the earth. The worm is gift of the God. Let's see the third one para. The sun, the moon, the stars he made to all his creatures free, and spreads over earth the grassy blade for worms as well as thee. God has given the sun, the moon, and the stars free to all the creatures he created. The grass that grows over the earth was made for worms as well as for human beings. Let's see the last one para. Lowly means humble, simple. Bliss means joy and pleasure. Let them enjoy their little day, their lowly bliss received, or do not lightly take away the life thou canst not give. The poet tells the reader to allow the worms to enjoy their brief life with its humble pleasures, because these creatures only get few days to live. So, we should let them enjoy their lives and should give them freedom so that they can enjoy their lives like the way we are enjoying. God tells us not to take away a life which we cannot give.